Try a table. If you're cramped for space, forgo a traditional island altogether and use a small table. It'll give you workspace and dining space all in one. Use it as a room separator. Back up a couch or chairs to your island for a separate dining area that's in the kitchen without actually being in the kitchen, if you catch our drift. Turn it into a breakfast nook. If you don't have the space for a proper breakfast nook, let your island serve double duty. All you need is a row of bar stools. Go dark and neutral. If you've got a bold backsplash or lots of color in your kitchen, paint your island a dark neutral, like this medium gray, to even things out. Repurpose. A pair of Architect's drafting tables, found at a thrift store and modified with a glass top, now serve as an island in this New York kitchen. Genius? We think so. Designed practically. This butcher's block and marble island is the kitchen MVP. It's loaded with lots of cabinets, a sink, and dishwasher, so you can get it done. Turn bookcases into an island. This hack turns 3 IKEA standing shelves into a rustic, modern farmhouse-inspired island. Use trim. This island kitchen used scallop trim to give it a vintage, laid-back beach house vibe. Go distressed. If you want a brand new piece to look vintage, scratch and sand your island's top, then stain it. Use bold color. If your kitchen is all white, you can afford to play around with color a bit. Install a towel bar. This easy add-on gives you room to hang kitchen towels and other necessities. Paint on the chalkboard. Let everyone know what the weekend brunch menu is, and don't worry about your kids drawing on the walls. Incorporate bookshelves. Now you finally have a place to store all those cookbooks. Think slim. No space? No problem. In this 400 square foot apartment, console-style wood table acts as both a kitchen island, breakfast bar, and workspace. Use it to free up even more counter space. A built-in microwave makes the appliance less of an eyesore in the kitchen, and gives you more room to get your barefoot Contessa on.